Try putting those automotive paint skills to the test, would ya?
I'll do my best.
A while ago, I painted this hood scoop, and I used a plastic promoter, I primed it, then I did the color matching and a 2K clear. So this is probably 2 years outside. You know, it looks really good, it's held up really well. The black I never did paint, but this part I did. So I wanted to see if I could take that same success and apply it to something a little bit different. Today I've got this old Nintendo 64 that I've had for a number of years. I've always wanted to paint one of these a custom theme. What I've been thinking is actually going with a Star Fox theme. It was my favorite game on the N64. I'll show you a picture of what I'm thinking about. There's a picture. And thanks to my friend Andrew, he was able to, a while ago, maybe over a year ago, get me some decals. But I've already taken this apart and cleaned it. Now we're going to give it a scrub. I bought these sponges because doing some research on painting consoles, you just want to scuff up the plastics. This is the right amount of grit, but we're going to sand with this just to give the paint something to bite onto. When that's done, I am going to use this plastic adhesion promoter, and then when it's all said and done, I really want to get it that high gloss, so we are going to 2K clear. So I'm going to take some of my automotive experience with painting. We're going to customize this N64 and see if we can get it ready to play some Star Fox. So come along with me, I'll show you the next steps. Now, I do need to get this guy out. Alright guys, it ended up being all the screws. So you can see where this plate was. So this is the heat sink plate. There's your reset button. There's your power. So while we're painting, we are going to take him out. Let's see if I can cut this out with an X-Acto knife. You know, it's better to start a project and not do it perfectly than to just never do it at all. And we'll do two. Oh! I shot that thing right out of my hand. Now this is some wax and grease remover, and I had one of these lids, so I just hit it with that, and that should get any fingerprints. And here we go. 2 to 3 light coats, allowing 2 to 3 light coats. So this first pass, you guys, I'm going very light. Wow, that stinks. So yeah, as you guys can see, we're pretty high gloss now. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn these around so my spraying angles isn't going to change. We are going to go with gray. So this is the top, so that'll get gray, gray, gray. And then these will all be kind of blue, which will ultimately match this color or close to it. So we'll just shake this up. There we go. Wow, it lays it on so thick. The other thing too, I don't know if you guys have ever made airplane models, but it smells. It's got that distinct smell. It's different than spray paint. This totally looks tan to me. In my head it was supposed to be gray like in the video game, because it's kind of like a metal. I don't know how I feel about this.
The next day.
So we went to the store, back to Hobby Lobby. Aircraft gray instead of light gray. That is coat number 2. I think that's technically coat number 3, so we might be done after that. We'll probably do one more, and then tonight, after it's dried, we will run out and try our 2K clear.
Day 3.
Alright you guys, so we've let this dry actually for 2 days now, and I can't decide if I want one giant sticker here and then even bigger stickers on the N64. You know, I think I'm just gonna peel one of these back. So obviously too big for him, but I think that's cool. Let's do it. Thank you again, Andrew, for making these. I don't even know how long ago, probably like years ago, 3 years ago. I feel like I've been sitting on this for a while. So this is where I'm going to just use an X-Acto knife. Just give him a little bit of motivation. Stick to that tape. It's about 1.5 inches from the back, and then over here. Look at that, you guys. Okay, next step. Time to clear coat. All right, finally. My phone died just before I started spray painting. All right, this 2K clear is old, but hopefully still good. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. All right, so I just flipped this guy around. Unlike headlights, like when I restore headlights, it's kind of one smooth surface. This has a lot of different angles, and I want to make sure all of it gets hit with that high gloss. So like this power button looks good. That might not need a little more. And then I might try to tip those on their side, and then we'll let it dry overnight, and then we'll see how it looks in the morning.
Tomorrow.
All right, you guys, the following morning, let's take a look here. So we have ended up with a very high gloss. Now you do have some what's called orange peel effect, kind of that bumpiness. So it's not crystal clear, perfectly smooth, but pretty happy with that. And I did get a tiny bit of trash in the paint on this one. Let's see if I can find it. It was the other, yeah, over here. It had like a hairland in it. But overall, very happy with that. So now, moment of truth. Let's peel off that blue tape and see how we did. So far, so good. Okay. Oh no, you guys, I'm peeling the wrong thing. No, the blue tape, look at that. The blue tape is taking Mario right off. Oh, dang it, you guys. That's a bummer. Well, you can't win them all, so now you know. I think the controller's gonna look great, so I'm just kind of biting at the bit. There's the B. The A will be next. Start button's pretty easy. Should have the rubber membrane, should have 2 holes for that guy and that guy. So I am seeing, I believe it's 2 little screws. I've got 2 skinny black screws. I think those go here, and then these black ones will hold everything else together. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good. So let's keep putting this guy together. And this one's the original N64 controller. There we are. Pop that guy back on. There you have it, you guys. Ah, feels so good. This high gloss actually feels good. You can run your fingers right over the emblem. Yeah. I think that looks pretty darn good. I think this one's the serial number, so we'll see how it does. Now that looks like official hardware, doesn't it? Right here. is I have this. It's kind of like WD-40, but it's for electronics. It's just a contact cleaner. It's BW100. I saw Tronics Fix use this stuff, and it's fixed a bunch of my sticky and otherwise tired electronics. So we're going to use this on my reset button. It was giving me troubles before I took it apart, so just a couple spurts. And just like when you work on a car, I had one screw left over. Not quite sure where it went, but it had a bunch of paint on it, so we're going to put that in the extra screw pile. One of the other things I wanted to do is I did leave these the original black. I just kind of liked the contrast, and I don't know, thought about it like landing gear. All right, you guys, I almost forgot. We need the most important part. So luckily, this one from Etsy has some double-sided tape on it. We do nice and level. We'll just push him on. Now is the time we're gonna test it out. So I bought this actually a couple years ago. I didn't have this as a kid, but this is the original Star Fox 64 that came with Rumble Pack technology.
We have technology!
So, pretty cool. There she be, look at that. Now is all this automotive paint gonna play nice? You guys remember when things used to come with instruction manuals that you actually wanted to read? And it has the whole prologue that you see in the beginning. Look at that. That's what we were going for right there. We're loaded in. I haven't blown the cart yet. We'll see if it even works. Okay, good first sign. Oh, I had something. Oh, let's go.
Message from General Pepper. Priority 1. We need your help, Star Fox. Andross has declared war. He's invaded the Lilac system and is trying to take over Corneria. Our army alone can't do the job. Hurry, Star Fox.
And I should have, yeah, expert mode, baby. Good luck. I always thought it said like embark. I didn't realize it said good luck. Oh, I messed up my wing, you guys. I'm doing so bad. Oh, that's funny.
Someone wants to play. Incoming enemy from the rear. Drop altitude.
Oh, still got it.
Who are you guys? We're Star Fox. You'll never defeat Andross! We're heading out. All aircraft report.
Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I had a lot of fun. Wanted to try something a little different. I used to modify consoles quite a bit. I even had a little side hustle where I was making some Game Boy macros out of old broken DS parts. So if you want to see more content like that, let me know. But for now, we'll probably keep it automotive, but I just wanted to do a quick little tie-in with some leftover 2K clear that I had, and I'm pretty happy with the results. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.